Con esa actitud divina, sabes que no debemos, pero igual lo hacemos. Me he distraído, pero estoy bendecido. Cada vez que llegas, eso es perder en la cabeza. Every night at 12, I lose my fucking mind. Babe, I'm bushy, can't leave you behind. Every night at 12, breaking all the rules. Everybody's teaching that you ain't get go. Got me acting crazy, baby, I'm not losing. Only good when that baby. Peaceful, I'll make it for you. Can't stop this feeling, my heart is feeling. Pasar en jet. No me importa nada cuando estás en mi mirada. Los minutos pasan y las reglas se traspasan. Es una locura, pero vale la aventura. Midnight es nuestro y el momento es perfecto. Every night at 12, we break every law. Babe, I know she coming back for more. Every night at 12, cracking all combos. Fading chasing, but she ain't get bored. Jumping in the hazy, baby, I'm not lazy. Only good letting me just around. You punch, I got a big tune. I compare how to live for you. In the glass, been when my heart is bent. This hand and jet, just sitting. Breaking rules, losing control. Can't stop now, won't let you go. 매일 밤이 우리 천국. Fuck the world, this is our show. Every night at 12, every night at 12. 매일 밤 불씨, breaking all the rules. Every night at 12, the rules. 하지만 벌써 끝이 되게 go. Can't stop, won't stop, baby, it's natural. Living out of me, in the infrared. Living like a flow. Been holding back too long, pressure building up inside. You're not one the much you see, try to keep me down, but why? Every time you push me back, so don't ever my sweat. Tonight I'm breaking free, like in my body. Feel it coming, feel it rising. Don't let poder dentro de mí. Can't contain it, won't deny it. Esta noche vas a ver. Esta noche exploto, watch me blow up. Can't control me now, watch me show. Now did you know me now? Got me figured out, please. Subestimaste mi poder. Now just watch and see. Every limit that you set, solo me secret is there. Breaking through the walls, ya no marcha atrás, yeah. Slow it down, but still I'm burning. Feel the heat inside me turning. 3, 2, 1. Esta noche exploto, watch me blow. Fire! Can't control me now, watch me show. Dale! Ya no hay vuelta atrás. This is who I am. Exploto, exploto. Watch me blow up, bang. Whoa, hey! 2 de la mañana, mi mente no para. Turning the circles again while the world's getting darker. Ya no sé qué hacer when your memory hits me. Me como si fuera sin ti, and these hours keep breathing on me. Pensando en ti, que sí, que sí. Mi mente no deja de latir. No puedo dormir pensando en ti. Ay, no puedo más. Scrolling through messages, looking for traces of you. Mi corazón está inquieto, como si fuera tabú. Can I dream but they all look like you? Como tú, so the blue. Can I see but they all look like you? Como tú, yeah. El tiempo no cura what I'm feeling inside. Es horas son eternas when you're on my mind. No puedo dormir pensando en ti. Can't sleep, can't sleep. Mi mente no deja de latir. No puedo dormir pensando en ti. No puedo más. Silencio total, but my thoughts are so loud. Te busco en cada rincón de mi habitación, but you know it'll be fun. No puedo dormir pensando en ti. Can't sleep, can't sleep. Mi mente no deja de latir. No puedo dormir pensando en ti. Ay, no puedo más. No puedo dormir. Dormir. No puedo dormir sin ti.
No me puedes tomar. Better run while you can, porque soy el mar. Watch me break your plans. First mistake was thinking you could handle this. Burning bridges, leaving ashes, that's my signature. Bad decisions make the best fucking memories. Push the limits, see you panic, watch me laugh at it. Every ex I got still got the battle scars. Try to hold me down but couldn't last that far. Think you different, baby, please, I heard it all. Plenty try before they all went and took the fall. Moving reckless cause that's all I ever learned. Playing matches till the whole damn thing gets burned. Got that fire in my blood is who I am. Either roll with it or run fast as you can. Salahé por dentro, no hay quien me controle. Tonight I might lose it. Better pray that you know me. No me puedes tomar. I'm a force you can't control. Déjame volar. Oh, watch everything explode. No me puedes tomar. Hasta veneno en my soul. Déjame volar. Before I make you lose it all. Fuck around and catch this attitude tonight. Got these demons in me, making shit go right. Everyone is sign I gave you flash red hot. Still you coming closer, better give it all you got. Breaking hearts became my favorite fucking sport. Leave them begging, leave them crying, that's my last resort. Think about what it takes to keep up with me. By tomorrow you'll be just another memory. Watch out since the day that I was born. Raise myself on gasoline and thorns. Need to match this energy I bring. Or get the fuck about my fucking rain. Salvaje por siempre. That's the way God made me. No me puedes tomar. I'm a force you can't control. Déjame volar. Oh, watch everything explode. No me puedes tomar. Está veneno en my soul. Déjame volar. Before I make you lost. la mano por las calles de Madrid temprano, buscando almas que entiendan la magia que desprendo mientras el tiempo se va mezclando. Me ves aquí, sientes lo que siento, entre el ayer y hoy, bailando contra el viento. ¿Quién baila conmigo en la plaza? ¿Quién siente el ritmo en casa? Mis cuerdas antiguas con salsa. ¿Quién baila conmigo? Ah, ¿quién baila? Paso las horas cantando, monedas van resonando. La gente me mira extraño, mi violín va llamando. Mezclo lo viejo y presente, mi música diferente, pero mi corazón sabe que este momento es grande. ¿Quién baila conmigo en la plaza? ¿Quién siente el ritmo en casa? Mis cuerdas antiguas con salsa. ¿Quién baila conmigo? Ah, ¿quién baila? Y aunque algunos no entienden mi manera de ser, sigo aquí en mi esquina haciendo tiempo mover. ¿Quién baila conmigo en la plaza? ¿Quién siente el ritmo en casa? Mis cuerdas antiguas con salsa. ¿Quién baila conmigo? Ah, baila conmigo.
First time I saw you dance, something hit different. The way you move, yeah, got me so addicted. Can't look away now, baby, what you doing to me? Te veo bailar y no puedo crazy. Heart beating faster with every move you make. Oh, mami, te siento cansa, my body's about to burst. I can't escape. You got that power over me, me tienes loco, breaking my self-control, poco a poco. You got that power over me, can't fight this feeling, you're my energy. Whoa, got me spinning. Whoa, keep me winning. Power rush. Just break the beat and start, makes you lose my mind. Every single touch got me hypnotized. No puedo parar, baby, let's not fight it. Tonight we fly. Heart racing faster, can't slow it down. 이제 멈출 수 없어. So now, turn it up loud. You got that power over me, me tienes loco, breaking my self-control, poco a poco. You got that power over me, can't fight this feeling, you're my energy. Speed it up, wash it, keep down, trust it, body heat, rising, no compromise, and let it flow through your veins. Try me a say, you got that power over me, begin to loco, breaking my self-control, poco a poco. You got that power over me, power, can't fight this feeling, you're
club, looking neat. Every weekend, same routine. You was dancing with your crew, I was with mine. Silent battles, drawing lines. Ain't nobody crossed that floor till tonight when you said no more. The fire in your eyes when you step my way got me feeling like prey. But baby, tonight we both gonna play. Let the music sway. From enemies to lovers when the beat drops low. Can't fight this feeling, baby, let it flow. Now I promise you me try. Dance with me now. Every move you make up there on the touch it like a tar. Heart's but your purse. Your body speaks louder and louder. Used to hate the way you move. Now I'm caught up in your groove. Temperatura subiendo más, got me burning fast. Your moves are lethal, but I'm built to last. Watch you break your mask. From enemies to lovers when the beat drops low. Can't fight this feeling, baby, let it flow. They say love and hate are two sides of the same coin we ride. Tonight we flip it, let it spin, see which side we're in. From enemies to lovers when the beat drops low. You know you feel it like this feeling, baby, let it roll. Let's hide this feeling. Never bite, I know this bit, so just sit with me one and all. Game mama, we both with like this, nothing they can. No matter lines on this dance, just see with me one and more. Game over, we both win. Let the smooth thing begin. Manos temblando, backstage waiting, hearts racing faster, no hesitating. Primera vez en el barrio, mi momento necesario. Deep breaths, tell myself you got this, 10 años de práctica. Now the streets are back, ya. Mi familia in the photo, rezando por su hijo, yo. The speakers bumping loud, mi ritmo spreading through the crowd. From corners to the rooftops, la música won't ever stop. Gritando mi nombre, hey, hey, making these streets my home. Mi gente gritando mi nombre, oh. Never performing alone. Mi gente gritando, dale. From zero to here we've grown. Mi gente, mi gente, mi gente. This block party's where I belong. First beat drops, nerve feels gone. Energy rising like the sun. The flow natural, automático. Move with the beat, it's magic. Every face I see smiling. Years of doubt, now they're dying. Started in a basement, now the whole block's amazing. Dancing, jumping, living. It's the no trick, just beginning. Remember writing verses late at night. Mama saying bye, volumen. Now she's far away, so bright. Move the vital and move it. Escucho el llamado del tiempo en cada nota que tiento. Mi sangre baila por dentro al ritmo del instrumento. Encontré nel attico un sonido magico, quella sto tossino moving sopra Mareko. Encemore singing while my mind is ringing, con este ritmo latino that keeps my soul believing. Melody ancestral, making my heart race shout, feel it in my bones now, does it do this out loud? Cada movimiento takes me way back when no sito el momento, en gas and present blend flow. El sonido antiguo en mis venas, the rhythm flowing through generations. El sonido antiguo, leyendas, the music breaking all limitations. El sonido antiguo en mis venas, the power of my ancestors gone. El sonido antiguo, leyenda, two words colliding, now we're falling. Feel the strings vibrating, ancient sounds creating patterns in my mind now, legacy defining. Beats can make connecting, rhythms that protect us, moving through the ages while tiempo me afecta. I guess I'm in my past now, making this our last now. Simple la magia, rising through the sound now. Every string I'm playing gets my heart praying para mis ancestros while the beat is slaying. Voces del pasado calling through time. Sangre y sonido, your story and mine. Antiguo, antiguo, through the ages we flow. Antiguo, antiguo, let the ancient sound show. El sonido antiguo en mis venas, the rhythm flowing through generations. El sonido antiguo me llena, the music breaking all limitations. El sonido antiguo en mis venas, our my ancestors call it. El sonido antiguo me llena, there was the light and now I can sing.
La música se apaga. Tonight I'm here alone in this empty space. Just the wooden floor and memories of grace. Las luces bajas, no one else to see, just me.
Bailo solo, 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 con el silencio a mi lado.
Dancing along, 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 with silence by my side. Bailo solo con mi soledad en este salón vacío. Bailo solo, no necesito más entre recuerdos perdidos. The chairs against the wall, they watched us dance before. Now they're witnesses, so what I'm looking for, mi libertad in this quiet space, just me.
Baila solo, 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 aunque silencio orillado.
Listen on, with silence by my side. Bailo solo con mi soledad, que en este salón vacío.
bottles on empty tables, forgotten jackets, forgot fables, los pies se mueven al compás del tiempo que no volverá, del tiempo que no volverá. The DJ booths are starving still, but in my mind I feel the thrill like it is not just they galore when everyone share the floor. Now I'm writing my own story, solo pero sin memoria of what they think I should be, just a rhythm inside of me. Las trompetas en mi mente suenan suave lentamente. This freedom that I found tonight makes everything feel so right. Y bailo solo con mi soledad, bailo solo en este salón vacío. Bailo solo, no necesito más de recuerdos perdidos. La música regresa. La música se apaga. Tonight I'm here alone in this empty space, just the wooden floor and memories of grace. Las luces bajas, no one else to see, just me. Bailo solo, 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 con el silencio a mi lado. Dancing alone, the silence by my side. Bailo solo con mi soledad en este salón vacío. Recuerdos perdidos. The chairs against the wall, they watched us dance before. Now they're witnesses. So what I'm looking for, mi libertad in this quiet space, just me. Baila solo, 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 aunque silencio a mi lado. Listen on, with silence down my side. Bailo solo con mi soledad, que en este salón vacío. Empty bottles on empty tables, forgotten jackets, forgot fables, los pies se mueven al compás del tiempo que no volverá, del tiempo que no volverá. The DJ booths are starving still, but in my mind I feel the thrill like it is not just they galore when everyone share the floor. Now I'm writing my own story, solo pero sin memoria of what they think I should be, just a rhythm inside of me. Las trompetas en mi mente suenan suave lentamente. This freedom that I found tonight makes everything feel so right. Bailo solo con mi soledad, bailo solo en este salón vacío. Bailo solo, no necesito más de recuerdos perdidos. La música regresa.
it was night. No words, get it right. The bass hit different when you move like that shit. Saw you first the floor, down. Language barrier, don't give it down. Your body speaking loud and clear. Bet you feel the heat right here. Te quiero bailar, don't need to explain. Skydiving, baby, what? Just let the beat bang. First dance fever got me shook. Body talking, that's the hook. No translation needed now. Let it bow and figure out how. First dance fever got me shook. Body talking, that's the hook. No translation needed now. Let it bow and figure out how. Can't understand shit you say, but your moves ain't lying. Hey, got that international swag. Fuck it up, make the floor say. Get over a lot, don't need to explain. Start riding, baby. Just let the beat bang. First dance fever got me shook. Body talking, that's the hook. No translation needed now. Let it flow, figure out how. First dance fever got me shook. Body talking, that's the hook. No translation needed now. Let it flow, figure out how.
Hey, 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 hey,
Hey, fuck it up, fuck it up.
baila conmigo.
Go, 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 go. Choma me sure. First dance fever got me shook. Body talking, that's the hook. No translation needed now. Let it go, figure out how. First dance fever got me shook. Body talking, that's the hook. No translation needed now. Let it go, figure out how. Not from quedas en el ritmo. When the beat move, we all move. Sin barreras, sin moves, just truth. From Miami to Madrid, we keep flowing. Coast to coast, the movement's growing. In la calle of the club, we unite. Breaking barriers every single night. They try to stop us, but we rise higher. We gente dancing through the fire. No passport needed when we rock. Yes, the ritmo breaks the deadlock. Feel it coming through your veins. Echo del ritmo, no chains. Watch how fast these walls come down when we let the music crown. No hay fronteras in a ritmo. Hey, music breaks down every wall, you know. Fronteras in a ritmo. Music breaks down every wall, let's go. From the blocks to the world stage, esa música breaks every cage. Don't matter where you're coming from, el ritmo makes our hearts beat as one. They can't control what we create. La música decides our fate. Every bullet turns to dust when the people move as us. East, bailando west, cantando out, unidos out. Let's go. Let's go. Feel it coming through your veins. El poder del ritmo, no chains. Watch how fast these walls come down when we let the music crown. No hay fronteras en el ritmo. Hey, music breaks down every wall, you know. No fronteras en el ritmo. Music breaks down every wall, let's go. No hay fronteras. Let the rhythm speak true. Let the music break through. Frontera, no hay fronteras. Every was libertad.
tempo, baila tipo fluye. When ancient strings start to sway. Bailando, bailando through time. Let the music show the way. Moving fast through Spanish streets, strings and drums may keep complete. Past to present, watch me spin, where my journey will begin. Verdas cantan melodías, taking me to otros días. Feel the rhythm in my blood, moving like a rising flood. Bailando through the centuries, connecting souls set them free. Bailando, bailando conmigo, ancient riddles make me whole. Bailando, bailando bien, moving through space and time. Bailando, bailando contigo. Mi pasado calls to me through the sounds of history, string by string and beat by beat, making past and present meet. By the sing, but I'll let the music take you far. Feel the strings begin to play as the centuries fade away. Oye, escucha el sonido. Listen to the strings unfold. Se ve feliz contigo. Every story being told. Oh! Ay, 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 ay. Vamos, vamos. Sigue bailando. Bailando through the centuries.
This live stream is for entertainment and information purposes only. Do not copy our trades, as we are just trading to have fun. Many of our trades could already be closed before you even see us opening the trade on YouTube due to the delay of the stream, and we trade offline as well, so you do not get to see the complete picture. We make no claims of profitability. We are not licensed professionals, and we are not providing any investment or trading advice. Greater than 90% of all traders lose money, and we are not responsible or liable for any of your trading decisions or losses. Please trade on demo only and consult a licensed professional. Please read and understand CFTC Rule 4.41. Let's get to the charts and trade safe today. Okay, camera's on, working, sound check. Working, everything good. Look at that. I think today is going to be a good day. I got the sound check, I got the camera working. Let's move this over to here. And action. Okay. Let's take a look at what the markets did overnight. Quick. Taking a look at the 30-minute. I'm just taking a look to see what we've done in regards to the Asia session. Perfect. We took out the Asia session lows. Asia session is the gray box. We took out the Asia session lows. We took out the Asia session highs. That means if we've done one and we've done the other, that means there's an 80% chance we take out the Asia session lows. Given that we already see that, I'm putting in a horizontal line right there, 493. Let's round it down to 500. We have a target that's 125 points lower. AJC, good morning. How you doing? Hello, Skeletor. Guy who qualified twice, I think, last night. Way to go. Or yesterday. How's everyone doing? Good morning today. I'm in a good mood. Okay, so as I said, good. Let's have a good day. We took out Asia lows, we took out Asia highs. That means we have an 80% chance we're taking out Asia lows. That's at 24,493. That doesn't mean we're going to do it. That means also there's a 20% chance we don't do it. Keep that in mind. Number two, it could happen at any time of the day. We could trade higher all day long, and it can happen at 345. I always make that caveat. But regardless, there is an 80% chance. Let's make that a green line. I preferred green as a target. I don't know why. That's just the way my brain thinks. I'm going to be taking it easy today a little bit. Markets humbled me a little bit yesterday. Taking a quick look at the trend line I drew in yesterday on the 30-minute. Very interesting. See, this is why I don't understand how Tory trend lines can trade trend lines. We have 1, 2, 3. We had 4 touches. Then we wicked above it. I don't know. Would she have entered? I have no idea. Does she wait for a close? If she wait for a close, you know, where do you set your stop? If you stop at the swing low, well, then she didn't get stopped out yet. You know, just saying. I mean, the stop is like 350 points away. Am I interested in trading trend lines? No, absolutely not. But I'm still curious in how she does it, because these are, you know, this is a killer pattern when it breaks the trend line and then goes on the opposite side, but still walks down it. Of course, we can always go in hindsight and redraw the trend line and now say this is the new trend line, right? That's the fun thing about trend lines. Daily, we got below the 50. We have a full candle below the 50. That means the high is not even touching the 50. And we are kind of bouncing off the 200. So if I were to put in a little, it's funny, we call them Tory trend lines now, eh? Not even, I don't even call them trend lines. They're Tory trend lines. How did that happen? That's good marketing. There we go. We'll just throw that in. Just to keep an eye on it. What about this one? I'm curious. What if I put in a line here? Boom, 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 boom. You see there's no 3 touches anywhere. And look how broken, and it's broken, and it's broken, it's broken. Oh, it looks like a big headache to trade trend lines. That's why I guess everyone says you can't trade trend lines profitably. Okay, giveaway game. Well, you have the game up. Let's see. No, it's not working. Okay, well, we just get a new one. Delete. Yes. Capture. Window. Game. Okay. Select. Hey, where are you? Oh, there you are. Capture audio. Okay. Oh, it's true. I had a message yesterday. I'm going to copy that. Copy. Ninja Trader. Paste. Let's shrink it. We will be playing the giveaway game. Absolutely. 3 qualifiers today for Friday morning's final, where we give away the account. 9:23. Markets open in 7 minutes. That gives me still 7 minutes, but I'm going to be taking it easy. I'm actually going to be doing a little bit of coding in the morning. Let's get that warm up. Okay, we have our first registrant. That means register. Skeletor, give me an exclamation mark game. You're in already. Who knows? Maybe you can win more. And maybe you can have 9 of the 12 balls. You never know. Wouldn't that be fun, eh? You got 9 balls in the game and you still lose? Yeah. Then that's when you know either it's rigged or it isn't rigged. I don't know which one you would say. Yeah, so who do we got? Oh, we got Skeletor's in the day session. Yeah, okay. Skeletor. Smooth operator. Adnan. Control copy. Let's see who comes in today. I tell you, with the amount of people I got in the room, Skeletor, I tell you, it'd be easy to win. Throat's still bothering me. I know. It's annoying. I should remember to turn my mic off. Doing my best. There we go. Wednesday, November 19th. File, save. Ba-ding! I hear him. Here he is.
Who is it?
It's you. Did you bring the donuts?
Did I bring the donuts? Oh,
You didn't see the message in
What happened? You're not
Oh,
gonna believe it, right?
I believe it.
I went to the donut place.
Yeah.
I was gonna get the donuts.
Mm-hmm.
I was chatting with the guy about how they make the donuts.
Yeah.
I said, just don't ask how they make the holes. And everybody in the back started laughing.
Everyone went, ugh.
Yeah. And then I just kind of like snuck out and ran off.
How do you think of that? I don't even want to know, actually. Don't answer that question. That sounds like a scene from the movie. I forgot the name of the movie. American Pie, was that it? Save and apply.
Apparently I lost my name tags. How does that even happen? Let's see if we can find them real quick. If we do
Yesterday, Bama, I made the pegs butter color. Oh, Butters. I made the pegs butter color, and Butters won. So Skeletor is the first one in. Let's make what color is the skeleton? Skeleton is white. Let's make the pegs white.
Skeleton's white.
Skeletons are white. Well, ivory. Let's go for ivory. Do I have ivory? There we go. There's an ivory. Okay, let's get the... I had fun yesterday with larger peg sizes also. Okay. All the way to the top. I hate the fact yours was better. I have to click apply. Yours were, I didn't have to do apply on yours. Fire. There we go. We'll just keep a warm-up game going. Make sure the message is there. Not much to say, basically. I took a look at the markets. Kind of bearish. And just to let you know, we took out the Asia highs and the Asia low. No, the low and then the high, which means we have an 80% chance of coming back down to 493. Just putting that out there.
Trying to listen, but I'm trying to find our tags as well. We lost our dog tags.
I don't even know what that means.
I was trying to create another scene, and somehow the tags got moved, and then they got deleted, and I don't know, man. You know what I mean?
I know what you mean. 2 minutes to market open.
Did I get the wrong one? What the hell? I think I made it so difficult. Goodness.
Okay, what do I plan on doing? I do want to code something. But we'll watch the open. I like trading the open. We are above VWAP and we're above previous day's close, so that's bullish. But I do have in mind, so how about I don't have anything in mind?
You have in mind. How about you
maybe
don't
I have
anything
nothing in mind and we just trade the way I should trade. Fuck the bias. Bias always screws me up.
That was great.
Serious.
I always count on you to give us a good laugh.
Yeah. Did you see my 5 pre-stream thumbnails? Or the 4 of them?
Not it. I didn't see it. Skeletor,
okay.
good morning.
That's why you're not mad at me.
I saw the one where you're trying to pick my nose or something.
That's it. Yeah, we're great pickers. I didn't put that in yet.
What the hell is he doing?
There you go. I didn't make that as a thumbnail, but yeah, I think that's cool. We're great pickers.
Skeletor, he's trying to pick my nose in the picture.
Hmm.
What's going on, man?
Really?
I think we got tags again.
Wow, is this an emergency at 9:30?
Hey, why you got a thing above my face?
Yeah, I am. I don't know what you're talking about. I'm looking at it. Yeah, but
You still covering my face?
huh?
You covering my face?
Oh,
Look at your stream. JC, good morning.
Okay. Fixed. Yep.
Not that ugly, am I?
Don't know why. What was there? Must have been
Is that what you call a two-bagger?
I would have been curious to see what was in there.
You know what a two-bagger is?
No.
It's when you put a bag over her face, or you put a bag over your face in case the one you put over hers breaks.
That's funny.
Thought maybe that's what you're trying to do to me. Like maybe you're saying I'm not ugly. All right, what we got? Markets are open.
Okay, there we go. Okay, good. JC says, okay, good. Things are good. Our producer says things are good. Guys, don't forget, type in exclamation mark giveaway. Once we get 8 qualifiers, we play the giveaway game. $9.32. Why am I on the 30-minute chart trying to figure out how to trade? That was weird. Track the trend over there. We got our trend tracker arrows. Current trend is bearish.
I knew if I tried to make a new scene that things were going to get messed up.
Yep. It's very particular that. Really? Okay, we have a winner. We can run it again. What do we got here? 931. 932. 933. I don't know. We might convert over to a long bias very soon. And how much time we got left on this candle? 30 seconds. I'm putting the arrow there. I'm calling it early.
Like, why does my chart look weird? I got the wrong symbol up.
Let's see. It's premature, guys. I'm just guessing.
Okay.
And what level did I say we were going to go down to? 493. Let's keep that in mind. Yeah. Okay.
Still holding this level.
Yep.
Tried to push under it. Was getting a little worried. Pushed back up. Came down. Tried again and again. And again. So far, the So far, the bulls are saying no. We're still holding this level. That means somebody out there thinks this is a pretty good buying opportunity. Only question is, can they hold it?
Sparky, you're stressing me, man. Trying to impress people with my scalping skills on the morning, and you're giving me a hard time.
You still blaming the cat?
Yeah, he's crazy for these damn crack cookies.
Do I need to get a cat just so I got something to blame my trades on?
No, he just stresses. You know what? I swear it's so hypocritical. I always used to see huskies on TikTok videos, and I'd say, wow, yeah. I could tolerate I love them. I could tolerate their howling all day long, but no, I don't think you can. I think it drives me nuts because my cat here just meowing and trying to break into the cookie box all day long is aging me prematurely.
You look good for 35. What's the problem?
Thank you. We haven't had anyone enter the giveaway game yet. Okay. Your loss, not mine. One, two, three, four, five. Okay, let's take a look now for a reversal. We caught that move higher, pretty nice.
Okay. Got you.
Omnius, there we go. We got somebody. Omnius can't enter, but he can run interference. Omnius can do interference patterns, just like Future. We can try and knock you out of the bucket.
Took a trade, and I was like, well, I don't see the trade. What's going on? I forgot it's the other one. I got it on a test account.
Yeah. I wanted to go long, but
I got to test the new coding for a while. It's in test period. I did good, though. Took the trade. Won the trade. No errors, no issues.
Where's the 493 line that I put in?
Now, if we can just get it to do that across all four.
Properties. Oh, it's true. Hey,
There'd be a lot less headaches.
All charts. I sent out an email to Bullinox to see what the issue is. I'm going in so it can fill up.
With the Project X?
Say that again?
You're talking about with Project X?
Project X, yeah. I said, there you go. Thank you, Skeletor. Whoa, that was a little bit of a dump. Thank God I wasn't long. And the markets are opened.
I'm going in so it can fill up.
It's crazy when they stop it. Like, I think you're in already. Yeah, Futures, Omnius, and Skeletor. The three we can count on. Three amigos. What was that, a fat finger? No, it's just giveaway. I made it simpler. Isn't that what it says now? I hope that's what it says. Type giveaway, yeah, to enter on the bottom and on the top. Skeletor's going to have a bunch of marbles in the game.
That's okay.
Yeah, sure. Okay, trend has changed. The wind is blowing down right now.
Hmm.
The wind
You're on
is
delay
blowing
because my
down.
charts are going up.
Yeah, we'll see. We'll see. If I get a close above 695, then I will reverse it. But right now, I'm calling wind down. The up is over. Doesn't mean I'll be right. There are.
I'm gonna go with the up then, just to fade you.
No, I'm not in a trade. But you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to go on Sim and short it and see how I do.
I see this 15-minute candle closes in 4 minutes. Super bullish.
5, sell ass, getting an excellent price on Sim.
I wouldn't want to fade that candle.
Short at 691. Well, I'm up 20 points already. Why don't I just take a piece? Remember, I'm a great picker. I love to pick. I pick my trades and I eat them.
I'm not gonna eat the boogers also. Oh my god.
No, just the trades. I pick trades and I eat them.
It's always difficult arguing with kids when they won't eat something.
Uh-huh.
One's like, I have a texture issue. I'm like, yeah, is that what your mother told you? Like, you ain't got no damn texture issue when you're eating them boogers.
That's the texture I like.
It's so nasty. They'll be like, I cook something. They'll be like, I don't like that. I'm like, shut up. You eat boogers. Eat your food.
Yeah, I have another one to say about that, but I'll keep it clean. How much time left on this candle? Where's my bar timer? 12 seconds. Let us see. Let us see. Okay. See? You were right. I was wrong.
About what?
Current direction. I closed my trade. But I took a partial when I was up like 25 points, so I don't think I got too hurt. Now I got it pointing north, up north, not south. Nice little run. Okay, this is not in the way here. Do some coding. Yeah, there's a little piece that's in the way, but I can't make it any smaller than that. I can put this over here. Oh, you know what? Give me a second. Let me compile, close this. Let me take a look at the... Yeah, that's funny. I need to make that smaller.
Are we supposed to be streaming this afternoon?
Is it Thursday?
I know.
Oh, I have a better topic than Apex, though. A really
today's
interesting
Wednesday.
one.
That's supposed to be
I'll
Thursday.
tell you about it. And you're not allowed to hang up without the other person saying goodbye, just to let you know.
What?
Yesterday, you just disappeared. The other person there must be a goodbye. There must be a formal.
So you're blaming me. You're telling me you blamed me all that time for you not being able to leave.
That's right.
I told you 10 times there was a hang up button. And then when I finally hang up, you're like, you're not allowed to leave unless the other person says goodbye.
Yeah, you need confirmation. Fox shade. I thought it was an accident. I waited 20 minutes for you to come back.
No, you didn't, because I came back in 30 seconds and you were gone.
I need to make fatter wicks. Can we still do that? I know they did something with their new update. the wicks outline wick width, outline wick dash.
Man, did that 15-minute candle call this or what?
Mm.
They call that bulls on parade. Play the song, but I'd get in trouble for it.
So now I can't make thicker wicks. That's it. They made changes in Ninja Trader. In their great wisdom, you can't.
Kill it. I don't want that. Fuck you. I'm out. This motherfucker just let a damn 15-minute candle run fucking 100 points. And it says, hey, let's go long. No, dude, come on, man. It did win, though. It was the trader again.
Wow, it's really running strong.
I couldn't take the chances of a freaking. I couldn't take the chances of that stop loss. I'm sorry. Whatever. Blame the trader. In what world do we run up freaking 100 points and decide this is a good spot to take a trade? No, 168 points. Okay, yeah.
No, 560, 660, 760. I don't know. We ran up 200 points actually.
I'm talking about where it entered the trade.
Yeah, 933.
Yes, we went up.
Nice
Actually,
push.
I got 192. I mean, everything worked out great, but I couldn't. I wouldn't have been able to stomach that. I got half of it.
ATR, 36 points. And I haven't done any coding yet. New strategy builder. That can take 14 minutes to code a strat. And we'll start trading at 10 o'clock. We'll let the craziness go away. So I don't get the...
What are you coding?
Trading jitters. Just something for the Renkos. I'm going to try something. The 4028 bars. Let's make sure the account is on sim. Okay, add. We'll just do the long side first. If
this, I know it's hindsight, but kind of pointed out this morning was kind of a great setup. We had the accumulation, manipulation, and distribution. Whatever they call that. Got the sideways action, accumulation, drop down, got everybody short, shot right back up. I mean, I will say you do see that pattern a lot.
Yes, you do. And if you take a look again on my 1 minute chart, remember that blue box? That's the pre-market, the 6 to 930 box. Look how we just took it out and ran to the other side. Again, how many times have I'm pointing that out? It's just a very frequent occurrence.
Once again, though, the hard part's where do you put the entry?
Right there on this bar. Let me mark it for you with the arrows. Hold on. Cancel. Right there on that bar. That bar closed above the high of the previous candle. That candle was a bearish candle. It's the one that made the low. If I'm not mistaken.
I got a similar bar on the 2 minute. Then we push up and we get this big pullback. Yeah, might have to start looking at those trades. I do want to make a list of all these different types of trades that I'd like to look at. Not necessarily take, but I'd like to make a list of them and maybe even start like trying to like test them and see like, hey, how would this have worked out? Maybe set up an account for these other strategies and
Well, you know what? I'm going to put my foot in my mouth because it's happened so often. But I'll say it again. I did practice a new strategy yesterday. I was doing 5 lots and 7 lots.
Yeah.
And it was the one here based on these arrows that you see. Just riding the moves, riding the waves, and it has nothing to do with the Ichimoku cloud, just to let you know. And it crushed it. It caught some huge moves, some huge long moves. So I'm going to keep plugging in those arrows, and we'll see how things go.
Are you going to tell us a little bit about the strategy, or we're just going to guess?
Well, you know what? Like I said, I don't want to put my foot that much in the mouth. If it in my mouth, if it looks good, then I'll divulge some details. But this candle here, how much time we got left? 14 seconds. This candle could indicate. I don't know why I moved it. See, I do everything early. This candle does not indicate it yet. No, this candle does not. Let me move the arrow yet. That is not my reversal candle.
So we even had a double bottom right there.
At what time?
It's at the low of the candle. The low we came down to.
Yeah,
if you look back,
see it. Yeah,
you're looking at
like 3 in the morning, 4 in the morning, 5 in the morning.
Yeah, 3, 12, and 4.
Yeah.
And if you look at the volume profile, even confirms it there. There's so much confluence right there. What a great trade for anybody that took it. I need more people calling that out.
NQ is stronger than ES today, right now, relatively speaking.
Be glad when we get to a point where we start the day off and people are calling out this setup and that setup and be able to like keep an eye on stuff like that. No pullbacks, huh? Just straight to the moon.
Yep.
I think we're still going also. I think we could push all the way up to the 25,000. Don't know where. Not saying we're going to do it today. Yeah. I'm just saying that that's the next location.
Well, we had a couple of, I'm looking again at the 30-minute chart. We had a couple of aggressive pushes down, one at 860, one at 830, and one at 811. All pretty much yesterday. So I would assume there's going to be a little bit of resistance at that area. Three different pushes lower. Let's mark that in as a little bit of a zone. I like zones. I'm not a big fan of just one. There, that whole area right there. Somewhere in there.
Now, what the hell? I sold some of my Google and it went up 6% today. You mother.
That was a good pick, eh?
What?
That was a good pick. Google.
To the freaking moon, man. Told you that it was up like 80%. So I was like, man, I gotta sell some of this. Stupid what I feel if I let it go up 80% and then just didn't take any profit. I still think it's at a good price. Just you can't just go up 80% and be like, I'm not gonna sell anything. Okay, I'll keep rotating it in the meta. Meta ain't going nowhere anytime soon. They make so much money. I don't even know what's going on with Google. Why are they up 6% today?
Because I changed my search engine from DuckDuckGo back to Google. It usually does it.
That's what it was? Okay.
Yeah. Limit price. Close. How much? 4?
Does it, huh? We're just going to say, no, we're not doing any kind of pullback to the moon. I bet if I bought the contract right
it's done. It's done. I did that experiment a few times. I swear to God, it's amazing. If you don't do it, it just runs and runs and runs. The minute you touch it, that's why I say two things. One, how the market is tied into us so psychologically that we can always pick off the highs in the opposite direction. Somehow, some way. Then the other thing I say is we live in a simulation. But it is amazing how we all experience the same thing, eh? Or we all perceive it the same way.
Yep.
Twin, giveaway. Way to go. Twin, you have a couple entries already. But that's okay.
Good morning. To the moon. I don't know. Matt called early today then. I thought we were
Really?
streaming this. I don't know. Well, I was supposed to be taking the kids out of town to a dentist appointment.
Hey, I won't complain. I got so much work to do, and I didn't get much done yesterday.
She was asking if I was going, and I was like, oh, I think we're supposed to be streaming this afternoon.
What else we got? Okay, Twisted. Good job, Twisted. Same people. Hey, you know who showed up yesterday? Trash Rat.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. Won one of the qualifiers also. Sweet. Yesterday was I told him to show up today. Maybe he'll show up. He won, let's see, who were the winners last night? Bama, Trash Rat, and Butters.
Did Bama show up?
Bama was there, yep. So far for the evening stream, which is tomorrow night, I guess we do the picking. We give away the first account tomorrow night, Thursday.
He said he was going to try to show up to the evening streams.
Yeah, so we have Omnius, Twisted, Bama, Trash Rat, and Butters. And for the day stream, so far we have Smooth Operator, Twin, Alex, Adnan, Skeletor, and Skeletor. So both of them have doubles. Default -5. Add. Short offset.
Yeah, it's almost 10 o'clock. Turn that off.
Did you say you're heading out?
No.
Oh.
Saying it's almost 10 o'clock. Did take the one trade the bought earlier. Was it today?
Save my settings.
Actually, it's on the account.
You know what? Maybe if I move this, it'll show up better.
We got 30 seconds. I don't think it's going to do anything in 30 seconds. Turn it off. Just straight up, man. I don't know.
Yep.
Look at my Heikin-Ashi chart. It's like, what's going on here? It's just. Oh, you know, the earlier I was saying, like, where do you get into that trade? Heikin-Ashi chart had a great entry. What do we got? 24,675. What was your entry at? What's that candle over there?
This one right here. You were earlier than me.
Earlier.
Yeah.
No, down. In the white box.
Oh, down there. If it was that one, 24,625. If we would have taken it there. Yeah,
625. What did I say? 672.
But I kind of had an exit at 657.
But that's before over here, so yeah, I wouldn't have got in that either way. I could have got 640. Depends on how good the other signals were. If I'd have took that. The 675 was a pretty good signal. So I'm saying I gotta look for those setups a little bit more.
Yeah, I got an entry here at 899. I took it, but I got out. Target was 906. I don't want to play around the 900 level.
I mean, we're only up 335 points, right?
So on the PA, I don't want to mess around. We're over R1. On NQ, like I said, NQ is quite a bit stronger than ES.
You start trading the hourly chart or something, man. Catching these runs. That's all you need, that one run, man. Good for the whole week. Look how often we've been getting these things.
Alex, good morning, Alex.
Alex, good morning.
What's up? ATR 26.
You gotta do it with more finesse. Try it again. What's up? What's up?
What's up? What was the Where's the Beef? You remember the Where's the Beef commercial?
Is that what I said?
No, I don't think so. What's up? I don't remember what was what's up. I think that was a beer commercial. Where's the Beef was Wendy's. Got another entry at 913, targeting 920. 918.50.
I can't in good faith take trades way up there.
Yeah,
like
I
that.
know, but they're only 7-point scalps, and they do have a stop. There you go. 921. Hit it. Hit it.
To the
Alex,
moon.
type in exclamation mark giveaway. Did I update the players? How many players do we have so far? Futures, Omnius, Skeletor, Twin Trades, Twisted. Well, at this level,
You got your podcast scene?
I do.
What's it look like? Okay, let's take a look.
You want me to put it
What
up?
I gotta do to my Yeah. What I gotta do to mine?
There's this one.
Put mine up. Tell me what I need to add to it. Yeah, I like that one. So I need one like that also.
That's the one where you would have the let's say the
Yes, I
browser
wanted something
window.
with a chart.
And then I had where's the other one I had? I had another one, just the two of us. It's gone. I deleted it. One when we were side by side. I was flipping
Yeah, that's the one I was
between.
looking for.
It's this. No. No, I think I deleted it.
Man.
Yeah, I deleted it by accident. Anyways, it's really easy. You just take this box that's below you, move it up beside you, and stretch it out.
Kind of like mine. You look at mine.
Yeah, that's cool too. Except look how we're not looking at each other. You got to fix it that we're kind of looking at each other.
Does that work?
And my deal.
You gotta look the other direction, man.
Yeah, we're both looking at the edges of the screen.
You gotta look the other way.
Well, I normally look this way. 1, 2, 3. Let's see here. I'm pointing. This is where I normally look. I don't know.
All right, so I gotta move me on the other side and you on the other
You're on a
side.
bit of delay, and you got me. Yeah, no, I look. Yeah, okay, yeah. Look where I'm pointing. That's where I normally look. So yeah, I got to be on the other side and flip my deal me in. You got me. You got my language backwards.
What? Oh, God, this guy complains so much.
Well, look at my deal me in. How do you do that? I don't get it. Why is mine right and yours isn't? But then if you flip me to make it correct, all you got to do is just go transform and flip. But once you flip me, I need to be on this side, because if you flip me, you know what I mean? Flip horizontal. I'm going to be looking to the right.
Lowest best you get.
So that's perfect. Just flip me. That's all you go. There you go.
Flip. Calm down.
There you go. Good. I haven't had donuts. I can't believe I deleted a scene. That's just totally stupid.
Now do I mess up the other one?
Anyways, if you want, I can send you the borders if you want, those green and blue borders, if you want to throw them in somewhere.
Look, you're backwards on this one too. You ain't never said nothing.
I don't pay attention. It's too small. The other one was big. How many players we got?
I don't feel like you were backwards on this one. What happened?
Keep going. Well, you just take a look at the language, that's all. Wow, just Omnius and player 4. Everyone got stopped out. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We need 2 more. Come on, let's get some new guys in here. Omnius, you usually get in the new people.
I can't transform this one. Why is that? Huh. Won't let me transform this one. Maybe because it's locked. There. Gotta make the guy happy.
3 minus 5 is 48.
Oh, look, you got me looking at the wall. Uh-huh. Despicable.
Huh? What? No, where do you normally look? You normally look that way? No, when you look that way, you're looking at
This
my...
way. This way, I got my hand up now. This way.
You normally look that way for your monitors and your screens?
Sometimes this way.
Yeah, let me see your Omnius Trades. I thought that's when you're looking at my...
No. That's the other way. That's that way. No, you gotta flip it.
But then your Omnius Trades will be backwards.
Hell, I don't know, man. I don't really care either way. You got to flip somewhere, because in mine it shows I'm looking this way, and yours I'm looking that way. Weird.
Alex M. Yeah, I put you in already, Al.
Oh, you have me flipped. That's what it is.
Which is good. Yeah. Smooth operator. Way to go. Smooth operator. Smooth operator. You already won one entry, man, but you can get another one. Sure. Absolutely. We have no...
Smooth operator. Good morning.
Skeletor won 2 yesterday. The same day. Hang around. We got 3 qualifiers today. Someone could actually win 3. Smooth operator. Makes me want to sing the song. 7 players. Which account are you giving away on Friday? Bullinox, 50K. Friday morning. Thursday evening, Taurus Arena, 50K. Are you in the I forgot. Are you in the day draw? Yeah, you won on Monday morning. So yeah, you're on Friday morning's game. Friday morning's finale.
Finally gonna get that pullback.
Keep saying, hey,
Just push up, push up.
Go get other people. Go tell other people there's giveaways. Why would you do that? If you, as long as it's quiet in here, you can keep winning.
Well, eventually we got to have more people to do the giveaways. So
yeah, eventually we'll get a little tighter, and we'll have to have 8 people.
By spreading the word, and
we'll insist
by spreading
on
the word and getting more people in, what you do is you get more ability to have more giveaways.
Yeah,
and expand the community.
Option 1 or option 2? The one with the trailing drawdown, I think. I'm not really sure. You'd have, maybe you can use it for both. They just sent me the codes. They didn't really specify, but I'm guessing the one with the trailing drawdown. I think that's option 1. It's on the top of the screen. Oh, so let's take a look and see what Bullinox replied. I was asking what I should do, given that they are going to lose access to Project X.
Oh, yeah?
Let's see if they answered. Trading.
Would be interesting.
Prop firm, Bullinox. Hold on, 53. What's 53 minus 5? It's 48. What? Bullinox isn't up. Help desk. Hi, Michael. That's me, in case you don't know. We are continuing to operate as usual. However, if there are any changes or updates, you will be notified via email in advance. Thank you for your continued business with us. Please let us know if you have any other questions. I don't know what that means. We will be operating as usual. You're going to lose access to the platform. How are we operating as usual?
Talk about a vague answer, huh?
Yep. Okay, you heard it here first. We are operating as usual. Okay, well, my question was, should I continue to get, should I continue to purchase or whatever, renew my Project X account, or should I switch over back to Rhythmic and Ninja? Operate as usual. Continue doing what you're doing, which is Project X. Every firm will have project until end of February. Yeah, no, I know, but I asked them, since they're switching, why don't I just start rolling over slowly now?
Mm-hmm.
It would kind of make sense. Guys, if there's any lurkers, type in exclamation mark giveaway. We got 7 players registered already. 1 more player. We run the qualifier. 10:13. We'll run it early. Well, see, that's the thing. I'm not sure. I'm not sure you can have both Rhythmic and Project X accounts. I think you can only have one or the other. I wanted to see if they're going to make an exception now because of the problems with Project X, but they didn't say anything, so. Okay, guys, quick math question. What's 28 plus 28
42.
plus 5 plus 1?
42.
No, let's go. Let's see the first one in the chat. 28 plus 28 plus 5 plus 1. First one to answer correctly gets an extra marble. 28 plus 28 plus 5 plus 1.
So 56 plus 6, 62.
Hey, don't make it easy for them. You don't need an extra marble. You can't win in the morning.
Look, we're just doing math problems.
Guy's getting all excited.
I said 42, and then you went, no. So I said, okay, fine.
28 plus 28 plus 5 plus 1. That's right. That's 56 plus 6. That is 62, right? Okay, might take profit on my... Hey, you know what? Trash Rat will be happy. I'm making a compile. Wow, look at this long, eh? Woo! Still running.
I don't know if I told you this, but I'm bootlegging your stream.
I don't know what that means. But that's a good thing. Sounds like it's a good thing. I see it. I see it. I see it. All that because you look in the wrong direction.
Just feel like bootlegging your stream. I don't know why.
Oh, by the way, Omnius was telling me that he has a technique to enlarge the holes in donuts. You know, we actually have a place here called Tim Hortons. They sell the donut holes. They call them Timbits.
Oh, yeah?
I don't think there really are donut holes. I think they're rolled like bagels. I don't think they're flat like little pizza pies and they push out a donut hole. Come on, guys, one more. We were up there. Let's go. People come in, they check it out, and they say, fuck it, I'm not entering a giveaway game. Why? You actually came in for the giveaway game, and you ran away.
There used to be a joke about the donut holes, but I don't remember it. It was something about a guy walks in a restaurant, and they're making the hamburgers, right? And they take the patties, they put them under their arm and squish them. And then they make something else. I forget what it was. And then the guy says, that's how y'all make the hamburgers? That's how y'all make that? And the guy says, you should see how they make the donuts holes. That's where I got it from, but I don't remember the joke. Maybe one day. When I bootleg your stream, I get to watch videos at the same time.
Look at you. Okay, so
it's like watching TV and streaming and trading all at the same time.
I'm on Sim 101. Strategies. I get to apply the strategy. You guys don't get to see it. Sim 101, wait until flat. Enabled. Okay, let's see what it does. Let's see if it works properly. How am I doing? I think I'm pretty flat on the day. I am up $15 and down $23 on two different PAs.
What?
I'm not in the mood to trade today, really. I need a bit of a break, believe it or not, and I don't feel like waiting for the weekend.
I'm actually pretty strong green across the board. I took one trade last night. Got like $100 and something across the accounts. And trade this morning and that other trade. So across 3 trades, I think.
Yeah. Okay. Well, I just made a quick $100 on a trade and
good though, right?
Yeah, on a trade that triggered on Top Step. So you want to see my my algo that I coded? You want to see the logic behind it?
You told me you didn't want to tell me.
You want me to put it up? No, that was the arrows, the big arrows. It's the algo I quoted. It's running off the Renko's, the 4028s.
Sure, put it up.
Yeah, let me put it up beside the giveaway game. Let me start a new window capture. We'll call it Renko. Okay, the name is already in use. No, it's not, but I gotta guess reboot my computer. Renko. Let's just Renko 1 then. Excuse me. Okay, and this one. There we go. We don't want to capture the audio, and we'll bring it down over here. I'll open it up. So there we go. We just got stopped out. The theory is when, well, I'm just testing 2 bars, but the theory is.
You said this is 4028?
4028. When you get a new green bar, right?
Eh?
Hey. I don't have a filter. I didn't even put in a filter yet. I need a filter, of course. Maybe I'll use price channels. Oh, there are price channels. Okay, so we'll use price channels. But when you get a new green bar, you're going to go and put your take profit for a total of 3 green bars. I didn't plug in. If you get a second green bar, you're going to move your stop, I think, to break even. So
what are you trading? Every candle?
No, well, every reversal, you know, from red to green, as long as it gets filtered, it has to be filtered. Obviously, like I said, I didn't put in the filter yet, but and the thing is, I'm thinking we can let it run even more because it's not we're doing it on the first candle, not on every candle. Getting in. Because the other ATM, I don't even know if I'm explaining it right. The other ATM I have that just runs on its own is this one right here. But it's not, now the stop is not in a good place. I don't know where the stop should be. That's the thing. Do they line up? Yeah, they do line up. Is that there? That's too high, so the stop should be there. Yeah, there. Okay. I love when I make a mistake and you get a better price on the stop. But anyways, we'll let the strat run. I'm not going to do it manually. Also, that's confusing. And I actually stopped the strat. So yeah, I think you can catch some good runs also, especially if you start early. Here, let me compress it. If you start when you cross the bands, you know, you see down over here, and you take the first one, and you let it run, you can really catch a good move as long as you don't get stopped out. You know, if you're good at handling it, your stop loss is contained, so that's pretty good. You could have caught a really nice, decent here. This is like
what you could do is a faster EMA and look for the faster EMA to cross the slower, and then look for your first trade and hold.
Yeah, but I don't think there's any holy grail or anything. That's the same thing as using the bands or using Keltner chance. It's all the same thing. It's all in the management of the trade. Either way, you can use VWAP, whatever. All of them will catch large moves.
Yeah.
So, but for now, I'm just testing a straight take profit. The entry is a little bit better than the green bar, but I'm testing just a straight take profit and a straight stop loss. I want to see how it works. Actually, a wise trade would be 50% between the entry and the stop loss. You see it now? Like, could you imagine getting in at 50%? That's probably a 4-to-1 or a 5-to-1 trade right now, no? Let me take a screenshot of that. Let me see. Right there about.
Looks like we're rejecting this resistance. Pushed up, hit resistance, rejecting back.
Did you get my point? You remember we were talking about you get in after a bit of a retrace, 50% retrace? You remember that? Yep. We were talking about that? So we just had that opportunity here, and I took a screenshot so I can see the numbers. Let me give you the numbers.
I'm not looking at your screen anymore.
Yeah, no, I'm just going to tell you what the numbers are. You'll have to 50%, 37, Stop will be 31. Okay, the entry's at 43 and the stop at 31. So let's say 12 points, right? Stop's 12 points, right? 43 with a stop at 31. Say yes. Something. You following?
You just said yes 5 times in a row. Are you
Well, I
asking
don't
me
know if
yes?
you're following.
I thought you were telling me yes.
No, well, okay. Well, I'm telling you the numbers. 43
Okay.
entry, stop 31.
Okay.
That's 12 points. The time I took the screenshot, we were at 37, so we were 6 points lower. That's 50% retrace. You're 50% on your way to the stop out. So that's what I'm saying. If you code another system where you actually enter at the 50% mark, you would have entered at 37 with a stop at 31, 6 points, and the target is 59. That
What
is
you could do is a second entry.
22-point target with a 6-point stop loss. And if you notice, it actually went to target. So that would have been a 22-6. That's almost the 4-1.
What you could do is a first entry of 1 contract and then do a second entry of 4.
Yeah, because that's your A+ entry. You know, you're going to lose six ticks, 6 points. But when you're right, you're going to hit 22. And you can make it even crazier. Go down 1 more point. Now you're risking 5 points and you'll make 23. So 23-5, that's almost a 5-1 trade. Or you can make it a little more conservative and let it go down only 5 points. So you're risking 7. And I think you would make 21. It would be a 3-1. It's crazy, eh? 3-1, 4-1, or 5-1. Just from 1 point, 1 point, 1 point. I'll try it. We'll see. Now that I know that it's 6 points exactly. There we go. There's another entry. The entry's at 50, so we would want to enter at 44 if possible. By limit. It's already almost a target though. I'm targeting two full continuation bars. And I don't move the stop. If I would have moved the stop to break even, that's something I'm thinking about. But, I mean, there's so many ways you can work it. You can take that second entry at the 50% retrace, right? And when it goes up just a little bit, just because of the vibration of the market, you can take a profit of, let's say, 10 points. And now you have a risk-free trade on the second piece, eh? I'm excited about this. I like this. This was a joint effort, actually, between Trash Rat, you. Remember, we were exploring a lot of different combinations that I never looked at?
Mm-hmm.
Eh?
Right.
I have such a funny scene from our first podcast that I have to show you. I saw it yesterday because I was working on it. God, it cracked me up. You were hilarious. You didn't even realize it.
All right. Let me run to the bathroom, and then you load it up. Show me when I get back.
No, I'm not loading that up. I don't even know where it is. I'd have to look for it. I'm just going to show you when I find it again.
Send it to me in Discord. I'll be right back. I'm not back in 2 minutes. Wait 2 more.
I will. So we're going to hit take profit on this one. We're going to get triggered in on our second piece. How many players do we have? We still only have 7. What just happened there? I don't even know. You know what I think what happened? I think we got triggered in, but that was a manual trigger in, so we actually got stopped out on the trade. 10:30 initial balance. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Come on, guys. Let's get one more entry. By limit, we're triggered in. You see, you can't do that manual. Only way to do it is with a bot. That was a fast one. Okay, a loser. I have no idea what the count is. What I probably should do is check where the balance is and see how we're doing. We got a balance of 649. Oh, we'll track that. We'll see how it does. So far, we haven't caught any runs, though. What are we doing? We are still... No. We are long.
Oh, ran him off, didn't I? I come back, he left. Melmore, thanks for subscribing. Welcome to the team. Lost our co-host. Must have had to run. Now, what are we looking at? Still pushing up. We hit this resistance up here. Kind of pulled back a bit. Really the only major pullback we've had all morning. Not even really a major pullback, but the only pullback we've had all morning. Straight up 416 points. I like to see it, but it's hard to trade. I like looking for pullbacks. I don't like the breakouts. So it makes it more difficult for me. There he is. You came back, eh?
I'm back.
Thought I came back. You ran off.
So show me again where's my screen? Which way you looking to see my stream on your monitor?
That way.
Okay. I got you. At the end of your words. Omnius, in the direction of writing. Okay, that means you're looking normal on my stream. See that? See? That's not the direction you would look on my stream. When you're looking at my stream, you're looking at the wall. When you're looking at your stuff, you're looking normal. If I were to flip you, it would be wrong. You were saying
if I look over here.
Yeah, that's right. That looks good. You're looking pretty much straight. When you're looking at your monitor.
But in other news, check this out, right? When I was gone, I was thinking, Here's my interpretation of a Canadian father asking his son about his report card. Hey, son, how'd your report card do? You get any A's? Hey, son. No, I got a B, A. Oh, A? A? No, B, A. A, A. No, B, A. A? A.
Okay, easy with the Canadian humor. Stop picking on us Canucks.
Oh, come on. I thought that was funny.
Wasn't bad. 25. Wow. So we had a little bit of a consolidation here. Are we long or are we short? Do I switch my arrows over? Long.
We're finally getting that pullback, and we got an inside candle. We have an inside candle short.
Funny that you mention it, because now I just see that I think it's time to move my arrow over tentatively.
I would still I'd still count it as counter trend, but
12 seconds. I gotta say, yep, it's gonna go. It's flipping over.
Took a quick scalp for it, but it's counter trend, so I gotta get in and get out.
Yep. We flipped, finally. You see, the system's probably going to get killed because it's taking only long trades. I should turn it off. It's got no filter. It's got no bias. It's got nothing. You know, really what I just did was code the logic in.
Yeah.
And I'm looking, so it's targeting right now, the way it is now, it's targeting 16 points for a stop of 29 to 17, 12, 16 to 12. So
you should set the bands.
It's 1.3 to 1. Yeah, I got to work on it. I just coded it before, so I got to work on it.
I got the 25 or the 26, and then I got the 50 period bands, and it looks pretty good. It's just so fast.
Yeah, I just wanted to make sure that I had the logic working, where the stop goes and stuff.
See, like right there was just an entry, but it's so fast. I would be interested to see how it would work as a bot.
Yeah.
Because the way I would have it set up is it only needs, like, I think 2 candles would be a break even, 3 candles would be a win, and then the win would be, I think, 1.5 or 2 the loss. So even with like a 40% win rate, you'd still make a bunch of money.
Yeah, well, these are good trades here, the ones that come down to the bands. You don't want to be taking the ones when you're extended from the bands anyways, because the markets are extended.
Mm-hmm.
Well, we'll watch it anyways. I'm just curious, but I'll watch it. We started at, my balance was 649. Right now it's at 658. I'm taking a 1 lot, a micro. So you're going to start to probably get some people joining your room soon. It usually happens around 10:30.
Think so.
Hopefully, and we'll just need one more person. We'll run the game. I can get rid of that
someone. Milmer. Playing a giveaway game. Just type in,
Mailman. Sorry, Milmer.
Just type in exclamation mark giveaway. Enter the game.
Yep, and then we can play it. We can run it.
Just need 1 or 2 more people. There you go.
There we go. Milmer. Explain to him. Milmer. Can Milmer hear me?
Yes.
Yeah, you can. Yeah. Okay, Milmer. Yeah, I just had to check.
Come on, man.
Come on, man. Milmer. Explain how it works, because you don't have a screen right there. We're going to play the game so you can start setting it up there, Omnius. Today is a qualifier. You're playing against eight players. We have 8 players now. Let me enter in Milmer. Add player. Actually, we're being generous. There's really only 6 players. Milmer, add player, save. And let me just change the time, and then I'll give you the update. Boom, boom, boom.
Get
4.
your screen up if you want to make it bigger. Show people.
Apply set. Yeah, I will. I will. Getting to it. One thing at a time. Game. We're going to make it full screen. There we go. So, today is qualifiers. If you win, you are in Friday morning's finale where we give away the account. We run 3 qualifiers a day on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. That gives us, if we run all 3 of them, if we get the 8 players for each one, that gives us 3 people who advance every day to the final on Friday, which would be a total of 12. But we haven't run them all. We haven't run 3, and 3, so you have an even better chance, to be honest with you. So right now we're running a game of 8. It is the qualifier. If you win, you are in Friday's giveaway game. Get it? Got it? Good. Did I explain it well, or do I need to try again?
I thought you did pretty well.
Okay, so it's oh shit, there's a spider making a spider web coming down. Sorry, buddy.
Hey, leave the spiders alone, man.
No. Geez, you know how many probably do that and fall in my, anybody else? I got some lurkers here I can see in my stream. Type in giveaway. We're going to start in 45 seconds. You have 45 seconds to type in giveaway. Once again. So nobody is confused.
Andres, good morning.
Andres. These are qualifiers. This is not for the account. The account will be given away on Friday morning. This gets you in the game on Friday morning. Andres, good morning. Sure, he's there. We put him in. Add player. Andres. And you know what? We're going to add one more. We're going to add a market maker. MM. To run resistance, run interference. Market maker. Okay. Save and apply. We got 10 players loaded. It's a 45 seconds. Futures floor cannot win. Omnius cannot win. The market maker cannot win in advance to Friday's final. If one of us do fall in the winner's pit, we rerun the game. If all of us get stopped out, all 10 players, we rerun the game. And let's count. Sold. Game starts. There we go. We're off to the races.
Off to the moon.
Off to the moon. Got to break through the resistance wall. We got already one crack in it. Someone can make it through. It's a great time to make it through when there's only one hole because it'll keep you on the right side of the board. Nobody stopped out yet. Skeletor's playing with the stop out. Milmer, you're on the right side of the board and you're looking really good. I know the game. I know the physics of the engine. You're looking good. Oh, 2 stop outs.
Milmer to the moon.
I think Milmer's taking it. I swear to God. I called it twice already right. I just like the way he's floating around there. Smooth operators on the right side. Andres, Alex M. I still think Milmer, but Milmer went to go look and see for better opportunities.
Why can't Skeletor win?
Skeletor can. Sure he can. He's just on the wrong side of the board. He's also looking. He thinks the grass is greener on the left side of the board.
You said I can't win.
Alex M takes it.
Sweet.
Alex M.
Great job, Alex.
Okay. Well, guys, it's easy breezy. All you got to do is type in ! giveaway. Yeah, you did. You already got 2 marbles. You can win another one even.
Keep stacking the marbles.
There'll be max 12
the more
players.
Chances you get.
You'll be Skeletor 1. So guys, type in giveaway. If we get 8 players, we'll start another one right away. I don't really care. Alex M. Let's get those ! giveaways going. Have some fun. Play maybe back to back a couple of them.
What if you just put in ! GG for giveaway game?
I want my 4 balls. What? Sure, anything. I don't care. I'm easy. You're easy. We're all easy. File. Save. Minimize.
Skeletor, Milmer.
I can't watch them all. You got to help me on your site. Futures and Omnius. Add a site. Okay, Skeletor. Omnius. Perfect. Skeletor.
The Skeletor.
Add a player.
Milmer.
Market maker. Add a player.
You want to play? Type in exclamation mark giveaway or GG.
GG. Exclamation mark. Officer Omnius. Donuts. Anything.
That was close. Yeah, it was a good game.
Yeah, it was fun. I was sure Milmer was going to take it. Usually when they float in the middle of the board on the right side, they fall into the pit. If they're too much to the left or too much to the right, on the right side, on the right side of the breakout bricks, they don't. They bounce around. But if you can float around in the middle of it, eventually you find your way in.
Got to have that good strategy, huh?
Well, it's not strategy, but yesterday there was a funny game. Joker was there, and what you guys don't know, underneath the hood, when you bounce into a peg or a wall, there's a little physics engine and it gives you a boost. So if you hit the stop out wall and the floor at the same time, you get a double boost, and they're multiplied by, it's like you get an exponential boost. It's not like 2 + 2. It's more like 2 to the power of 5 times 2 to the power of 5. So you really fly out of that corner, and you just shoot.
You got it set a bit fast.
You just shoot through the wall. I don't remember who it was, but he hit that corner and he shot right through the wall of the winner's pit sideways, and he won. Joker was saying, he says, I call foul. I go, no, that opportunity is there for everybody. Whoever hits the corner will fly into the winner's pit. That's a little, but the breakout wall's got to be gone also. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's mark in player 6. Just mark in the play 6. Add.
Yep, need a few more players.
Play 7. We'll fill them up, and then when I just know, play 8.
You want to play? Just type in exclamation mark
player,
giveaway or game or GG for giveaway game.
We'll shrink it down for now again. We're back to warm up. We're back to warm up mode.
Waiting on those players.
Andres, you still around?
Andre said, of course.
Oh, of course. Okay, let's put in Andres. Save and apply. Okay, next one, we're doing little pegs. Give you guys a lot more room to run around. Let's make it a little darker.
You got Alex in there?
No, not yet. I'm playing with the pegs. We got an Alex. Okay, Alex. Sure. Why not?
What strategy are you using? Mike, I'm assuming that he's asking you because I got your screen up.
I try to get through the little pegs, take out the breakout bricks on the top, move over to the right side, and
I think he's talking about trading strategy.
And work my way down into the winner's pit. Peg size. Are we doing small pegs? I'll get to it. Let's do tiny little pegs. Look at those. They're like pins. Now you guys have so much room to run around on the board. Everyone gets to bump into each other. Who asked what strategy am I using? Who wants to know such things? Elmer. Milmer, I'm an aggressive scalper. I don't hold my trades long. Basically, I try to identify the trend. Right now, you see you got a big red arrow there on my screen. I think you guys see it. Yep. So I'm identifying the trend is short right now. I'm looking for pullbacks, and then I'm trying to identify continuation. We did get some continuation. If you look at the background there, it's a little bit of it's grayed out. The background over that red down bar. Then you got a couple up bars and some continuation. Again, to the downside, that's where I'm entering. I also use Renko charts. Same thing. Try to identify the trend and jump in on a continuation after a retrace or a pullback. Retrace, of course, on a downtrend, and I call it a pullback when we're going up. Right now on the top chart, if you see trades entering, I coded a bot, but it's just the beginning. It's again using the same theory, but only the long side is coded. There's no filters. It's just to make sure the logic is working.
Omar says Renko chart's new to me. You want to show my Renko? Or I can show them. Either or, it don't matter.
No, I got it set up already.
I was going to show him. Maybe go over mine in case he was asking me anyways.
Okay, go ahead.
Go.
I don't know what just happened. My thing, that's so weird. It changed windows.
Right,
yeah, no, I don't have it. It's screwed up. I got to delete it.
All right, I'm going to switch over real quick.
That's weird.
Keep the camera, keep the video playing. We don't need it. But my strategy is more of a 2-minute strategy. You can see the clouds here. So above the clouds, long, below it, short. So we can see here we're switching over to shorts. Looking for this to go down. I like pullbacks. So what I use is a Heikin-Ashi chart or a Renko chart to show the pullbacks really well. You can see here's the Heikin-Ashi chart. You can see where it pulls back. Maybe draw a line like that, break through, and then go. And then for the Renko chart, you're asking, this is a 20x5 Renko chart. You see how the Renko chart is just real clean. Takes all the noise out of everything. This one's a bit fast. I was trying it out. Maybe a bit slower. You can see how it just, see the way the bricks line up. Get you a pullback, and it's great for signals for going. The pullback, short, pullback. I would look for a pullback to the bands, which is 50-period moving average. Pullback, short, pullback, maybe short there. You can see how that just repeats. Of course, you get losses too. Which one? I guess that would have been winner, 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 winner. That one there would have maybe been break even or a winner. Here would have been a loss. So pullback, one candle, that would have been a loss. Pullback again, another candle, that would have been a win. So you can see there's a lot of winners. Pullback, going with the trend. Of course, this one, like I said, is a bit fast. I like it a little bit slower. Actually, what I really like is the, so here's another type of Renko also. It's kind of the same thing. You set up any way you like. I really like the volume Heikin-Ashi chart though myself.
I'm going to disable the strategy though, because there's no point in running it right now, really. It's all.
And Mike, back to you.
Yeah. Oh, no, that's it. I just said I'm going to take off the strategy because it's kind of deceiving. I mean, taking long trades, there is no way I would be taking long trades, but I am marking out my short entries.
Melmar, what strategy do you normally like? Yeah, no problem. We like hearing other people's strategies and what people like and talking over strategies together as a group. It's always interesting to hear other people's thoughts and how they look at the market. Use ICT, also a good strategy.
Oh, well, that's actually what my arrows are. Believe it or not, they're kind of little micro changes in state of delivery. That's actually what I'm marking out over there, little micro ones.
We like talking over all of it. Also use trading bots for trading as well. Generally trade the bot in the morning time. Yes, it is good with risk management.
Wow.
Good with good risk management. Yes. I tend to think nowadays that risk management's the more important part of trading. I think every strategy is a good strategy and a bad strategy. It's all in the trader and how you're managing the trade and the risk. I think you can take any strategy and make it a good one or a bad one, depending on how you do it. Just find one that you like, that you can repeat over and over and over, and apply proper risk management.
Any lurkers? Type in exclamation mark, anything you want. Giveaway, GG. Actually, if you type in exclamation mark, Omnius shave your beard, you get 2 marbles. You get 2 entries if you type in exclamation mark, Omnius shave your beard.
If I shave my beard, you gonna shave your head?
I almost did.
You almost did.
What's gold
SKP, good morning.
What's gold doing? 40.93. Interesting.
You put SKP in there?
Did not. Giveaway. Way to go. Skip. Can we call you
I
Skip?
don't know if it's first name SK, last name P, or SKP or Skip.
I don't know. Did I tell me that? Can I call you Skip? SKP. SKP. Save and apply. You didn't want to type in Omnia shave your beard. You could have got 2 marbles. SKP. I have to remember. You know what? I should write it up. These are qualifiers. Okay. If you hit it, if you get into the winner's pit. Actually,
2 marbles be cheating.
Let's run.
Keep it fair.
Let's run a warm-up game. Okay, if you get into the winner's pit today, you only qualify for Friday's final. On Friday's final is the day we give away the account. It's the winners of the qualifiers that get to play in Friday's final. We're trying to run 3 qualifiers every day, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. 3 qualifiers on 4 days. That gives us 12 entrants on Friday's final game for the account. And we should be doing this for the next, I don't know, 2, 3 months, 4 months. And maybe we'll start to throw in more accounts. And as the word gets around, as the community grows. So I think we need one more to start the game. What do we got? We got Futures, Omnia, Skeletor. We got a market maker in there. Milmer, Andre, Skip. Didn't Alex?
So the plan is the more and more people we get, more and more accounts we'll be able to give away.
Alex, they've been giveaway. No one told me. Alex, you're in. We can start. We got 8. Okay.
You got Skeletor?
I got Skeletor. Of course I got Skeletor. Alex M, save and apply. Okay, so let's come down here. Change the speed. Last time he said it was too fast. Now we got a lot of room on the board. That's good. Apply settings. Okay.
Man, you pretty much opened the board up, didn't you?
Yeah, this is not a warm-up game. This is qualifier number 2. On Wednesday morning. We'll give it a few more seconds.
Anybody else want to join? Speak now or forever be silenced.
Yeah. You can type in exclamation mark Mike shave your head or exclamation mark Omnia shave your beard. What do we got?
Or
59.
exclamation mark giveaway game.
Or exclamation mark Mike shut up.
But I'm just saying, if I'm supposed to shave my beard, Mike's got to shave his face, his head, and his eyebrows.
I'll shave my ears. How's that? Is that good?
You're finally going to shave your ears? About time.
Mm-hmm. We'll start at 11 o'clock on the dot. You have till 11.
Your wife's been trying to find a way to tell you to shave your ears.
Yeah. Fire or burst? Anybody? Fire is one ball at a time. Random. You don't know if you're coming out first or last. Burst is everyone shoots at the same time. First one to
You gotta
type it
open
in.
up too much. Ain't no pegs.
Yeah, there's pegs. They're there. They're just small. You got a lot of room to bump heads. Fire or burst? Fire. Way to go, SKP. There we go. Fire. Andres came out first. Milmer, Skeletor. SKP lurking on the left side. You got to break through the resistance wall. Milmer's flirting with stopping out. We got the first hole, potentially. Oh, SKP also flirting with stopping out. Omnius and Futures, of course, we're in there for now. Otherwise, we'd wait too long to start the game. We run resistance, so does the market maker. We just run resistance. Try to fake you guys out. Milmer, I'm sorry, but I think you won one already today. I don't remember. Wasn't Milmer the winner before? Or was it Alex? No, it was Milmer I thought was going to win. SKP looks like he's trying to make it to the other side. Omnius makes it to the other side. Market maker makes it to the other side. Skeletor looks like he's in a good position to win. Futures can't win. Fire. We run it again.
First.
Not too late.
Yeah.
SKP stopped out. Skeletor almost stopped out. I'm sorry, SKP.
Again?
He stopped out last time too? I don't remember.
Or was that Milmore?
I don't remember. That was so long ago. Omnius looks like he's going to make it over to the right side.
Maybe that's the difference between scalpers and ICT traders. ICT traders got great memory and scalpers don't.
Yeah, that's right. We don't need to remember anything. Woo, that would have been getting hurt there. Skeletor looks like he's in a good position to get a bump. Alex M is floating around again. It's going to be with a deflection, this one. Omnius, Alex M, stopped out Futures. See, you got a lot of room now to bounce around. Oh, Skeletor arced, but a little bit too... Alex is floating back in again. Holy shit, Alex, you're cleaning up today. I think
that's 2 for Alex, isn't it?
That's 2. I think so, right? Yep.
Great job, Alex.
Control copy. Space. Control V. File save. Calculate. Well. Clear the player board. And there is a third qualifier. So start typing in the chat again. Exclamation mark. GG. Oh, we got a trade here at 66. Targeting 59. If I can get in a better
break
price.
For a few minutes, look at some trades.
Yeah. We're going to take a break now a little bit.
Let's take a little break.
Let the people enter, but we're going to take a little bit of a break. It's 11. We'll play the last one when we take off. However many players are in there. I'm going to take an entry here. I'm going to try. Shit, I tried to get in at 70. Or a little bit better. 4 or 5 points better. Come on. Give me an entry.
Give it a few minutes, or a few minutes or so. We'll play another game.
Yeah,
no.
Game. Yeah. No.
Yeah. No. Eh?
Yeah. No. Yeah. Eh?
Eh?
What am I short at? I'm short at 67. What am I targeting? 59.
Mike, my whole life, I never knew that Canadian people liked A so much.
Yeah. We like A and we like our donut holes. Targeting 59. Let's go. Am I targeting 59? I don't even know. 66, 59. Yeah, I'm targeting 59. Looks like we took it. I don't know.
Guys, how's the trading going today? Milmore, SKP, Skeletor, Alex. How's
66,
how's everybody's
70.
day going?
Okay.
Good,
I just
decent.
I took it at 62. I got out. It's up 91.50. I won't complain. 91.50 there, and my PA up 103 in my top step for a day that I didn't even want to trade.
Why you don't want to trade?
I wanted a stress-free day today.
Yeah.
You know, thought I was going to get donuts. That didn't work out.
I'm good for the day. I don't want to risk what I got, lock in what I got, unless I see a really good trade. I mean, I'll risk it on a good trade. Not have an account at the moment. Done for the day. Earlier at London session. Great. Milner, great job being done for the day.
SKP, Milner?
SKP, don't have an account at the moment.
Are we in the next round? We typing in giveaway? Omnius, Skeletor? Well, obviously Omnius. Alex? Twin
SKP,
Traders?
are you familiar with prop trading?
Smooth operator? All you guys out there? There we go. Milner, perfect.
Maybe you've had prop accounts before, just don't have it at the moment. If you're not familiar with prop trading, I would look into that instead of risking your own money. They generally have a lot of good deals out there. Look through a few. Let's see. Bullinox still 85. That's not bad, but it could be better.
Let's try smaller balls and lots of pegs. Let's see what happens.
Familiar and blown. Yeah, we all know that feeling.
Giveaway, SKP. Sounds good. SKP.
I think we all hope for runs in between the familiar and blown that make us a little bit of money. I did expect some better deals going into the whole Black Friday stuff.
Yeah, what's the date today already? How far away are we from that? 19? We're still a little bit of ways. 10 days away, about a little bit less.
Yeah, but normally they start stuff before Thanksgiving because people are worried about Thanksgiving. You don't want to be looking at firms and stuff.
Okay, guys, smooth operator, Twin Trades. Just a
SKP,
reminder.
I asked because you'll be surprised how many people have showed up. Adam, good morning. Might put Adam in. You'd be surprised how many people show up and they don't know what a prop firm is. Was that one guy a few weeks ago?
That was a quick.
Put in like 10 grand and lost like half of it or a quarter of it.
Adam. That was a nice trade.
You take the trade?
I took a short, got 80, got 8 points on a 5 lot. So now my take profit is up 180 instead of, not my take profit, my top step up 180 instead of 100.
How many players you got?
I don't really know. Let me just do a burst and see. Oh no, that doesn't tell me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But we're gonna keep it until we check out. What time are you leaving?
Okay.
You said 11:30, 11:45. You said you wanted to.
I don't know because I think they're leaving now. I never told them I was going to go.
Ah, really? Well, you decide if you want. We can run it right now. And like I said, I got a lot of work I got to do, so I don't mind.
Let me call and ask. I don't know. Might be too late. Just at 11. All right, give me a minute.
Mm. Still trading lower. Did we get any more shorts? Nope, not yet. Just those three up there. Joker. Good morning, Joker. Better day for me today. I hope it's a better day for everybody. I started the day in a good mood, and I said, let's be green. Being a lot more selective on my trades. 2 accounts are up, and 1 account is down 23 bucks. So, not bad. Bing, bing, bing. Joker, obviously, we're putting you in. Add a player. JOKOUR. Save and apply. 7.
All right, they're going to swing by and get me then. Wrap it up.
Wrap it up. Okay, wrap it up. Let's wrap it up. Who do we got?
Morning.
I'll tell you who's entered. Futures and Omnius. Of course, we can't win. Market Maker, we can't win. Milmer. SKP. Adam. Joker. Oh, we still got quite a few people out there. Smooth Operator. Skeletor. Who else? Twisted. Alex. Twin. Nobody? Just
Why is
type in
Adam's
GG.
messages retracted?
I have no idea.
Adam, did you retract your messages?
Hmm.
Hope I don't have a moderated thing back on again. I didn't retract anybody's messages, so if you didn't do it, might be
Skeletor.
YouTube doing it.
Skeletor.
Let me know.
We putting you in the last round, obviously.
Which message? I don't know, Adam. It says 2 different messages. It don't tell me what they are. It just says message
Boom, boom,
retracted.
boom, boom, boom. Adam Joker. Add player. Skeletor. Yeah, why
Wasn't
not?
me, so if it wasn't you, it might be YouTube doing it again.
Add player. Save and apply. Anybody else? We count it down, we go. Giveaway.
All right, you ready for the giveaway?
Is the screen set up? It is. Your screen set up? Okay.
Yep.
Fire or burst. First person to call it out. Fire is 1 ball at a time in a random order. Burst is all the balls at the same time.
First.
You don't get to pick.
Oh, man.
You want to pick? It's rock, paper, scissors. Someone type in fire or burst. I got my mouse ready.
Just keep in mind, I got somebody coming to get me, and I still got to get dressed.
Hurry up. Burst again. There we go. Go get dressed. Turn the screen off and get dressed while we're playing. Okay. SKP stopped out. Skeletor stopped out. Omnius stopped out. Just joking.
Oh, man.
Just joking. Nobody stopped out yet. Look at all the little pegs. Futures have stopped out. Okay, well, I guess I'm not running any resistance here.
That is a lot of pegs. What did you do?
I'm not running any interference. Yeah, that might accelerate also the... it's going to be hard to get there, eh? I don't know. I tried something. You know what? We're learning. It's a learning experience. Someone will make it once the wall breaks. Most of the top wall's chipped away already.
All right. I'm going to
You go
be
get
in and out
dressed.
while we're doing this. I'm going to go and mute my mic.
Okay. Mute your mic. You said you got to get dressed.
Whatever. Do your thing.
Whatever.
Do your thing.
We don't want to hear you get dressed. We want to see you get dressed.
Go make the donut holes, okay?
I have a whole day to do that. Is anybody going to get over to the side? Oh, yeah, look at Market Maker. Oh, no way. Market Maker can't win. Whew. Well, if Market Maker wins, I think the next one we'll run will be... SKP. Skeletor. See, we got some clear skies on the right side over there, where you can do your thing without bouncing around. Skeletor's trying to make his way down. He might catch a deflection. 11:15. Joker. Milmer. Skeletor. Milmer stopped out. Skeletor. Another one. You just came and you snuck in. Way to go, Skeletor. Okay, that's the last one. Skeletor has 3 entries on Friday. Wow. Look at that. You can start selling them. And for a while it looked like you weren't going to get any there. And then now you're cleaning up. File, save. There we go. Yeah, way to go, Skeletor. You snuck in at just the right time. I got an entry at 24, targeting 17.
What I missed? Skeletor again?
Skeletor took it, yep.
Sweet.
I can get a
Good
better
job,
price.
Skeletor.
I wanted in the 30s. I had a chance to get in at the 30s.
Everybody put
24.
GG in the chat for Skeletor. Great job.
Targeting 16. 17, I mean. 26.
Like
I want to get into 30, get a better price.
Hopefully y'all like the giveaway game. Add some excitement and entertainment to trading.
Fuck. I took it. I took it. There's the beyond 17. I was targeting 17. We went down all the way to 08.
Mike,
Okay, that was a nice entry.
I'm going to go ahead and head out.
Yeah, okay. Well, me too. You know me.
Okay, I didn't know if you wanted to stay and send people over to your channel or no.
No, I tell you, I got a lot of stuff I got to take care of, so I'm going to take the opportunity to get that done. Thanks for hanging out, guys. I'm going to be streaming again today around 6:45. We're going to have 3 more qualifiers. That's for Thursday night's giveaway. So today's pretty much the last night to qualify. There's not a lot of people who qualified for the evening giveaways. I think I only have 5, so you have a good chance.
Let me jump in real quick, Mike. Now you're saying you're separating the games between the morning qualifiers and the evening, right?
Yep.
There's going to be 2 separate giveaways.
One account's given away Thursday night. That's the evening stream. That's the last night stream for the week. And then Friday's the last stream for the day session. Another account, separate account. Yep. 2 accounts per week.
Just make sure everybody understands that.
2 accounts per week for the next 10 weeks. That's $1 million in accounts. 20 accounts. 20, 50K accounts.
Guys, appreciate y'all. Skeletor, Adam, SKP, Melmar, whoever else was there. Adam took your stream. Joker.
Adam.
I
SKP.
said SKP.
Joker.
Whoever else. Appreciate you guys. You guys are awesome.
Yeah,
Adam, yeah. And see everybody tomorrow morning. Or Mike will see you this evening if you're on. I'll see you tomorrow morning. 9:15. What time's the evening stream?
6:45.
Later, guys. Appreciate y'all.
Take care. Bye.